Welcome to the virtual world premiere of your new Volkswagen Arteon. Actually, we are talking about two world premieres today, and I guess you'll be really excited to see them. Arteon encompasses everything we know and we love to do in automotive industry. A lot of space, day-to-day usability, a typical functional Volkswagen, perfect technology leading into the future in our new models, actually with a wide range of engines and high-tech on the inside. And in this case, the most beautiful design a street car ever had in a Volkswagen. Characterful, strong, athletic, simply Arteon. I hope you enjoy the show. Have fun. A strong and muscular shoulder leads into the frameless side windows, which really stretch the body, make it really elegant, flowing into the strong front of the car, the very bullish front of the Arteon. It stands on brand new 20-inch wheels, and actually the secret is under the hoods. 3 engine technologies are on offer. TSIs of latest technology, TDIs of latest technology with twin dosing, and for the first time Arteon holds a new plug-in hybrid system which we call e-hybrid. So it's really ready for the future. Now the beautiful new highlight of the car is this LED front strip lid that we know from the Golf generation, which signifies that Arteon is on the front wave of new Volkswagen on the road. Fantastic car. The Arteon is our premium flagship, so we really focus on developing it into the sphere for the next years, on the looks and with the technology. Now this is a beautiful ambient light integration, Harman Kardon premium sound. The car has a standalone dashboard, beautiful materials, great to look at, but the technology highlight of the car clearly is our traffic assist. Traffic assist keeps you in the lane, keeps your distance and regulates your speed, basically without your intervention. It feels actually that you're touching the steering wheel. Beautiful technology to keep you through heavy traffic and into traffic jams. And the car is always connected. The car is online, has its own SIM, and gets your real-life data for your traffic and for your navigation. So it's a car for the future and a grand tourer on the road. Well, and here it is, the second world premiere of the day, my personal highlight, the Arteon shooting brake. Combines the virtues of a GT, a Grand Tourer, the elegance, with the package of a Combi. Fantastic combination. Up to 1,600 liters of space for cargo on the inside, wrapped in beauty and in functionality. What a combination. The Arteon shooting brake not only has lots of space for cargo, it has ample space for huge passengers like me. Great space actually for long distance rides. The Arteon shooting brake, for me, the most beautiful wagon ever built.
What makes the Arteon exciting and what makes the Arteon shooting brake elegant? The Arteon is the sportiest Volkswagen. The elongated flowing silhouette highlights the car's aerodynamics. The extensive bonnet takes on air low down at the front. The very flat A-pillar gently guides that air past the passenger cabin. The dynamically sloping roofline allows minimum drag. The Arteon commands the sensitive design language of a coupe. The 4 doors are seamlessly drawn into the side profile. The shooting brake elegantly integrates additional hold space. Few precise lines define the athletic shape of the Arteon. From the perspective of power, we see a superior, confident car. The large air inlets emphasize the powerful engine and demonstrate strength. The grille and light signature form a horizontal line, giving the front of the car an extremely broad appearance. From the perspective of space, we see an extremely elegant variant. The spatial concept provides an excellent amount of space and an impressive loading capacity. The clever tailgate makes it easy to store even large items of luggage. The interior meets the same high standards as the exterior. High-grade materials make the sustainable quality tangible, while the intuitive usability makes for an intense driving experience. The premium user experience is the quiet luxury of the Arteon. Is the design beautiful, or is it the perfect harmony of speed, power and space? To us, it is simply the new Arteon.
Volkswagen.